The Galaxy S23 FE is rumored to be the name of a new fan edition phone that Samsung plans to release later this year, according to widespread rumors. The Samsung Galaxy S23 FE was Samsung's final fan edition device, but the company decided not to release the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. No need to worry, because nothing is confirmed yet. Many of the leaks are saying Samsung Galaxy S23 FE will arrive before the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Fold 5. Nonetheless, as per the most recent reports, Samsung has chosen to do without a more reasonable rendition of its leader telephone for another kind of collapsing cell phone. Samsung recently announced that they have canceled the release of the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, much to the disappointment of many fans. While Samsung Galaxy S23 FE is unclear why Samsung made this decision, there are still plenty of other great options available for those in the market for a new phone. The Samsung Galaxy S23 FE offer top-of-the-line features and impressive performance, as do other popular models from competitors such as Apple and Google. It can be overwhelming to choose a new phone with so many options available, but doing some research and considering your specific needs and preferences can help narrow Samsung Galaxy S23 FE the choices. Whether you prioritize camera quality, battery life, or overall design, there's sure to be a phone out there that fits your needs perfectly. It's possible that Samsung Galaxy S23 FE will not arrive. A new rumor suggests that Samsung has abandoned the device's launch in favor of a new foldable phone. The trifold display and double-hinge foldable design of the forthcoming phone are expected. Samsung recently revealed a practical model of the impending Tri-Overlay World telephone. The upcoming product appears to be a game-changer for the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE smartphone market, and the company has been working on this technology for some time. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Galaxy Z Fold 5 are expected to be included in this new line, which will be available later this year. At the end, I want to say one thing. Take all the leaks with a pinch of salt. Nothing is confirmed yet. Let's see what happens in the future. I'll keep you updated with the latest news. What are your thoughts on today's video? Comment below. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.